What's up, YouTube? This is Team Curlew. My name is Rapper.
And I'm Mo. And we are back with another video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how we are doing. We are doing very well. I'm sorry we haven't been updating that much, but I do carry 2 full-time jobs. Rapper carry 2 full-time jobs. So we just want to give you a quick update on everything, how we doing as of now since the last video. So I do want to let you guys know that we have big things popping for 2023. We got a lot going on. We are opening our first business. When I say first business, of 2 of this year. So next month is the big reveal, and I'm show you guys exactly what's going on. So I just want to give you an update on how we doing. I'm pretty much right now happy with everything we got going on right now. I was asked multiple times on how we make everything work. We make it seem like it's easy. With my husband, he's easygoing. I'm easygoing. So it's always loyalty before dishonor with me. As long as you're loyal to me, I always be loyal to you. My husband, he keeps me happy. He keeps me laughing. I laugh all the time. If we do have a disagreement, what we do is give ourselves a little space till we go to our corners to regroup. And then we come back and we communicate, you know, little things. I'm not saying we a perfect couple, but we just make everything work. And as I say, we got 2023 this year, 2 businesses, and we also trying to open something back in Jamaica. I only want to see us go up from here, up, up, up. Since we got our foundation set, we are happy. And since that foundation been built, now we are building our foundation up. And I only see Team Curlew going up from here. As I said, we just giving you guys a quick update. We got 1 business coming, opening next month. And all I want you guys to do is make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you stay updated, because we got giveaways coming next month. We got giveaways coming from our channel with our new business opening. With the grand opening, we will be giving out gifts. So make sure you tune in to Team Curlew. We got big things popping. Anything you want to say, babe?
Well, right now, I'm a happy man right now because, you know, I'm in this state for only 6 months. 6 months. And I'm doing major stuff right now. I'm opening my first business right now, you know what I'm saying? That feels so good as a small timer from Jamaica come to the US and turn himself into a big timer right now. You know what I'm saying? I just be like happy for what's going on in the Team Curlew life right now, for real.
Yes, ladies, I just want to give you something. Now, if you and your husband got a strong foundation, you believe in him. I believe in my husband I believe in him, and I believe we can go up from here. So I'm doing all the necessary steps to be his backbone as he been my backbone. So I'm only pushing us to greatness. You know, we trying to do whatever it takes to make sure our family happy. So if you fellas too, if you have a good woman, make sure you're doing right by her. If you doing right by her, she gonna build you up. So basically, I'm happy with everything we got going on, and I'm here to build my husband up. So that's what we plan on doing. It's only up from here. So if you got a good woman, vice versa, you have a you know, good man or whatever whatever the situation is, y'all build together and y'all will make it. You know what I'm saying? So only thing I want to do on here for make sure he built up, and me as well, so we can take care of each other and our kids. So that's what we building, that foundation to make sure our kids will be okay. So we're going to go ahead and end this video. Just a quick update. I'd like to thank y'all for watching and taking time to subscribe to our channel. But make sure you guys keep subscribing. We got big giveaways coming soon. Not small ones, big ones. Team Curlew, we out.